Alright, here we go. This is for my neighbor's 1998 Foretravel. I've had a lot of people wanting videos of this, so I have time this morning. I'm going to go ahead and shoot one. Pictures speak for themselves. This thing is super clean. Clean on the inside and needs some attention on the outside due to sitting in the sun. All wood cabinets. Everything is spacious. Lighting underneath. All leather. Here's the cockpit. I'll do a starting video after this one. Fully adjustable. You know, it's Foretravel, so fully adjustable driver's seat. Fully adjustable passenger seat. Just a great, comfortable coach. It's perfect for a live-in. I have not tested the television. I assume it works because he's got a Bose system and a DVD player. All the manuals, service history, pretty incredible. It's a little dirty in the sink area and the oven and stuff. Just needs to be cleaned, that's all. I found this morning. There's the liquor storage. Television. Lights everywhere. Refrigerator works. Just needs to be cleaned. It was closed up, so it's got the usual mildew. We'll have that all cleaned up. Again, all the lights. I've got the air conditioner on right now. 72 degrees. Nice and cool in here. Gonna go to the back area here. Full-size toilet. Bathroom. The vents. Full-size shower. Washing machine. Cedar-lined closets. And now the bedroom. It's got an older tube TV up here. That can all be replaced. Fan. Like I said, this thing is just incredible inside. Super quiet. And I found this just today. It's the Phantom cooktop. So underneath this is your cooktop. But again, it just needs to be cleaned and detailed inside. It's been sitting for a little over a year. We got all the power problems all situated now. Everything's working, everything's charging. So part 2 will be the startup.